Hi Nick, I'm Christy and my whole school is behind me and supporting me because I'm a top 10 finalist in the Masters of Beauty contest. I entered the Masters of Beauty contest because it's always been my dream to work in New York City, and it's even a bigger dream to be working at Arrojo Studio. I've been there before and it's a really beautiful salon, and I've been to the Masters of Beauty classes. I've seen the techniques that have been used. I've always loved to do the razoring techniques, and razor cuts always really appealed to me, and I would love to learn all of the techniques that I could use. I chose to do the asymmetrical cut because it's a really current trend that's happening right now. I see a lot of it going on, and so I really wanted to recreate, my own kind of asymmetrical cut. I put a lot of layers in it. I just think layers are appealing, and they're versatile in style. And I went to beauty school because it was something I've always wanted to do. I couldn't picture another career that I wanted to do, the rest of my life. So choosing to go to beauty school was really a no-brainer for me. I did it right when I got out of high school, and I couldn't wait. Since everything's changing in this industry all the time, nonstop, the education doesn't end when you graduate beauty school. There's magazines and webinars and everything that I use to keep myself, trendy. And there's a lot of things I'd like to do as a stylist being in this industry. I would like to own my own salon years down the line, whenever that may be, but I would like to do that. I've always imagined myself being behind the scenes of a magazine or something, doing the whole behind the scenes work. That is really what interests me, and I love fashion, and to tie them together is just like the ultimate career for me. Winning this apprenticeship would mean for me that I would get to fulfill my dream moving to New York City, working at Arrojo Studio, and just affirming that I made the right decision in going to Empire Beauty School to become a stylist. It's what I've always wanted to do, and you should always follow your dreams because they always have a positive outcome when you do, and this would just affirm all of that I've always wanted. Nick, you should pick me because I have the confidence that I will become a great apprentice at your salon, and with your education I can be, better than the best that I can be as a stylist. And it's my dream to live in New York City, and I have so much passion to be here, and it's like I was meant to be in New York City at Arrojo Studios.